Hey guys, just a very brief video to show you how to join our class's Epic website here for free online reading. So this is going to post tomorrow at 9 o'clock in the morning, and you will just click on this link, Educator Resources here. Get Epic is what it's called. Click it, okay, and once you open that, and I will show you, you're going to need to have this code. So I'm just going to copy it right now. One thing to be careful about is don't accidentally highlight that space. If you notice there's a space right there, they count that as part of your characters, so you want to be extra careful only to get the letters and numbers. Okay, so I've already copied. Now I'm going to click the link, and once we're in here, I believe you just click on class code, and it looks like because I've already logged myself in that it appears right here. But here, let me show you what it might look like in a different view. So if you're not logged in and you click on class code, here is where you would go through and paste what you would have copied earlier, and let's see what it looks like. Okay, so now that we're in, you would select your own name. I'll just select guest student, and you can search up here. You can search for, look, there's I Survived, and there's probably tons of different genres that you'd like. You can click explore. It will read to you. There's audiobooks. Okay, so this is just a really nice resource that you can use when you are missing our school library. So hope this was helpful.